Adding contacts manually in GoHighLevel might sound simple, but doing it with the right way, you can save a tons of time later when you are automating message, tracking leads, or creating workflow. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to add a new contact fast and how to make sure all your lead data are in the properly organized from day one. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to boost productivity. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and turn on the bell icon, and check the link in the description for GoHighLevel free trial. And if you use my link, you can get the 30 days extended free trial. So check the link and let's get back to the video. So once you are the dashboard of your GoHighLevel, simply click on this contact from the left side panel, like this contact, then you can see there is some option like this kind of tool, and you can see there is an option for the import contact. If you want to add the bulk contact in a SVC format, import contact, and you can see there is two options. Just simply select this and click on this next. Now here you have to upload a file and make sure it's CSV format. I have a data for the contact like this. You can see, just open this. Now you will find there is two options. One is for the opportunities, but in this section there is three options: create an update, and the update. So I don't have any opportunities, so I am going to keeping as it is, like the create opportunities. Then also I will select this a create contact and just click on this next. Okay, so you can see there are some options to verify this. Okay, just here make sure you have checked this and click the start bulk import. See, here is it. So we have imported 100 email or the 100 contact. So if you want to add manually, you can just click on this add new contact and just write your customer's first name, last name, the email address, and then type the phone number. Then select here, is it a lead or a customer, then select the time zone and blah blah blah, and after that just simply click on this save. I'm not going to do that. So basically this is how you can add or import the contact on your GoHighLevel. So that's it. Basically your contact is now successfully added inside the GoHighLevel. You can now tag them, add them to the automation, and track every interaction easily. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe this channel, and drop a comment below if you would like to see this kind of video. And if you want to try GoHighLevel for yourself, check the link in the description. You will be able to use the free trial link up to 30 days instead of the 14 days by using my description link. So check the link, and I will see you in the next video.